Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I'm Catherine, and I'm here to share with you my Spring Tablescape. This was an open collaboration, and I issued the invitation on Instagram. So anyone that wanted to participate could participate. Now, if you go ahead and get together a tablescape by this coming Friday, and I'll post the date and deadline again, then send me the URL to your video and I will add it to the playlist of those that are already on board. I'm so excited about spring. Let's go ahead and go to work. Spring is my favorite time of year to use a tablecloth. You can find those at Bed Bath & Beyond for around $12.99 and use your coupon to get the extra 20% off. I made my placemats. You'll get the full tutorial in the video. I'll attach the link on one of the iCards so you can click there and enjoy it. The supplies used are the Dollar Tree clothespins as well as the Dollar Tree woven placemats. Look for this video in my video library. You'll see 4 of the galvanized chargers from Michaels and 2 of the burlap chargers from Hobby Lobby. Now, I've had my burlap chargers as well as these beautiful white plates for about 5 years. And I also purchased these salad plates from Michaels. These salad plates, as well as napkin rings and napkins, are from Pier 1. So mixing them all together just made sense to me. Now, on rare occasion, I want everything to match a little bit. You know, the green napkin goes with the green leaves, the pink napkin goes with the pink flower, and the yellow napkin goes with the yellow sunflower, and then we have the purple napkin that matches the purple butterfly. You know how we are. Sometimes we get a little quirky. Now, I also recycled my napkin rings that I designed for fall with these old succulents. You'll see this napkin ring tutorial as well as these floral arrangements in this video. Check my video library or click onto the iCard. Well, now that I had options, it was time to design the center of the table. I started with the 3 containers of tulips, and then I added these 2 bunnies that I purchased from Target last year. Then came the little moss pieces from the Dollar Tree as table scatter. I also purchased these carrots as table scatter from Pier 1. And of course, all of those succulents that I purchased last year, I added those to the center as well. While visiting a friend in Macon, Georgia, I found a very unique bed linen boutique. That's where I purchased my wicker carrot for about $12. So why not hang it on a wreath holder? Now, all of my glassware is from the Dollar Tree. Now, having had so much fun making the floral arrangements, I decided to try them out on the table. So let's see what the table would look like if I used my succulent arrangements. I love it. And that little coral succulent matches the carrot so well as the napkin rings. I love this, guys. It's low and it's a piece that I can switch out when we actually have guests at the table instead of those very tall tulips. Now, you know, I just had to try it. If I've got carrots on the table as table scatter, why not put the carrot, the big carrot, in the center? And the bunnies will go crazy. So yeah, I decided to see what it would look like, and I absolutely loved the pop of color there in the center. It just says all things spring, bright and sunny. So carrots and bunnies really do go together. This is so easy to do, just attaching it to the wreath holder, just finding an opening in the back, and that's that. Nothing to stress about. So for staging, which one do you like? The succulent arrangement? The tulip arrangement? Or the giant wicker carrot? Special thanks to all of my YouTube participants in this collaboration, as well as my Instagram bloggers. You guys are such an inspiration to me, and I really appreciate you taking the time away from your busy schedule to post your video. Now, there's a playlist attached to this video. Click it and you'll be able to see all of the videos of all the channels or Instagram websites that are participating. I want you guys to get some inspiration, something that won't cost you a lot of money. So I hope that you enjoyed the entire video that I presented today. Click the playlist for other inspirational ideas. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, stay in prayer and stay creative. Happy spring, everyone. There's more to come, so please subscribe and stay connected.